This is how it works. We'll be working with a company called Teespring, which handles all of the hard stuff. They stock the shirts, they print on the shirts, they handle customer payments, they ship the shirts to your customers, and they handle customer service. Now think about this for a second. You don't have any upfront costs for the shirts. You don't have to buy thousands of shirts and stock them in your garage, have designs printed on them, package them, ship them to customers, deal with complaints, returns, refunds. Teespring handles all of that for you. Here's what you do. First, you come up with a design or a slogan that's going to go on the shirt, something like this. And don't worry, I show you how to get plenty of ideas for designs and slogans in the course. Next, you'll need to put your design on the shirt. This is very easy with Teespring's online designer tool. After that, you'll need a landing page to sell your shirts. We'll make this in Teespring with just a few clicks and some text. No need to worry about having your own website, domain name hosting, or anything like that. Now we have to get traffic to your landing page so they can buy your shirts. I use the fastest, easiest, most targeted way to get traffic there is: Facebook paid ads. Now, of course, with paid advertising, you'll need some money in the beginning to pay for ads. You can start with as little as $5 or $10 per day, and as you become more profitable, you can increase your ad spend. Now, there are some so-called free ways to get traffic, like YouTube, or you could build a blog or a website and use it for search engine optimization, or you could try to build a big following over time on a Facebook fan page. As far as I'm concerned, this all takes way too long, and it's way too much work, so I don't do it. I don't recommend it, so I don't teach it. Now, if you already have an established website or fan page with a big following, then that's different. If not, just use Facebook ads. Now, of course, there are a lot of little steps and details, but we'll go over all of these as the course progresses. Now, at this point, you should have a very general understanding of what we'll be doing, so let's get started.